Hello and welcome to another episode in our EMS tutorial series. In today's episode, we will show you how to create and send an email campaign. So first, to create an email campaign, go to the Email Campaigns tab and click on Create an Email Campaign. Obviously, the email campaign will need a name. We'll call it Demo. We recommend you use a combination of HTML and text for the email format, so we'll leave it as that. And you can choose a template. Let's choose Basic Template 1. This is how the email will appear to your recipients' inboxes. We'll click Next, and then here we are essentially creating the email. So we'll choose the email line. This is just a test, and you can change all the other information here. So we can put this as WRO International, and as well as all the other information here can be changed. You can even put in graphics, etc., however you see fit. And then you can even add attachments to the email. And what's important is this spam keywords. This is, in other words, our spam score feature that allows you to monitor how likely your email is to end up in the spam box. So as you can see here, this is a 1.5 out of 5, which is not that good. You want it to be as low as possible, 0, or as close as possible to 0. And so usually there are words, especially if you put it in text, it will start picking out words, which words you should avoid, etc. In this case, it is going to end up in spam just because it's empty, it's all default stuff, there's nothing of value. So we can send a preview to this email if you wanted to, but from this email rather, we can send a preview to an email should you wish to see how it will appear in your recipient's inbox. But I'm not too keen on that, not right now. I'm just going to click Save and Exit. And from there, I can view that here. This is the email I had created momentarily with just the company name. And close this. And I can choose to send it. Now if I click Send, I can even click Send from here. Same thing. I will choose a list of emails to send it to, in other words a contact list, and I want to send it to everyone in the list. We'll click Next, and it will be sent to approximately 6 contacts. I can keep track of opening, track all the links. I can even use Google Analytics if I wanted to, and so I can click Next again. So sorry, you can also change your first name here. It can either be your first name or your company name, etc. You can put your first name and you can put your company name, just so people associate where you're coming from, or where you will be calling from later on. Next, and say it will be called Demo, and if I click Send my email campaign now, it will be sent out. So I'm not going to do that, I'm just going to click Cancel for now, but this is the button you would hit instead. So there's a very brief overview of how to create an email campaign, as well as how to send the email campaign. I hope you found it helpful. I hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you again.